Hard way, Gates play by the rope and racing coast to coast, looking for the leader. Here comes Balulan Beach, now for the outside, second running in, third is Pivotal. And going along for the first turn, it's coast to coast, leads Balang Kanya, Balulan Beach in second. Pivotal running in third and 5 wide, now the outside is entry number 5, Little Round Top. And into the back they travel coast to coast, followed by Little Round Top. Running in third is Balulan Beach. 4 lengths back Pivotal. Here comes Executive Order. Hardway running by Ruila is Favorite Chanel, while Storm Signal is running in a tail of the fielder. Inside the last 600, coast to coast, leads by some 3 lengths, followed now by Balulan Beach. Little Round Top, here comes Hardway. Now moving up, now the out, or run on the outside. Inside the last 400, it is still coast to coast, followed by Balulan Beach. Hardway on the outside, third down in fourth, Executive Order up. And towards the final turn, it's still coast to coast, leading by some 4 lengths now. Followed by Balulan Beach, Hardway, Executive Order, Pivotal, Favorite Chanel, Storm Signal, and Little Round Top. And finally, it's coast to coast. Hardway, Balulan Beach, Executive Order, Pivotal, Storm Signal, Favorite Chanel, and Little Round Top.
Mabuti siya, ha? 4, 6, 7.